Hello friends, I am here today with a delicious dessert that can be cooked easily and has simple ingredients. So stay with me through the whole video and enjoy this tutorial. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Ingredients: milk 2 glasses, rose water as needed, cornstarch 2 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, cardamom powder half a teaspoon. Well, first I pour the cornstarch into a pot. Now I add cold milk to it. Stir it well to dissolve the starch in cold milk. When they completely mixed up, I turn on the gas and put the gas flame on medium. Put the pot on the heat and start stirring. You have to keep stirring all the time so that the starch does not become lumpy. When the mixture is hot, I add sugar. Finally, I add cardamom powder and rose water. At this stage, you can also use saffron or vanilla to make the porridge taste good. Stir the mixture until it reaches the desired concentration. Remove the mixture from the heat and put it into the desired dish. I decorate them with rose flower. I hope you make this porridge and enjoy it in cold weather. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button right now and press that small bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. Hope to see you again.